Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Triple H Farm. I'm Ashley. Thanks for joining us on the homestead this morning. Today's video is going to be a nice little farm tour to see how everything's growing, so on and so forth. I try to do one once a week so that you all can see how everything is growing. So let's get started. So first up is going to be the chickens. Now, we had 25 chickens. Well, we sell the chickens, so now we only have 3. So here they are. Alright, so we no longer have Rhode Island Reds. All we have now are the Americana Easter Eggers. They're a little bit scared of me. They think I'm going to come in there and snatch them away. Alright, so this is a cool view of the garden, where you can kind of see everything. At least everything right here. Everything's growing good. I'm very excited about it. We got a bunch of green in there. So here are the green beans. Here they are, nice and beautiful, growing very well. I like that. Let's look at all this stuff. What in the world? Yay, okay. So we got some tomatoes here. We went through and picked up the ones that didn't grow, which weren't but like 2 or 3. And then, so instead we put my squash in here because me not being thinking. Oh yeah, look at this squash. Man, it's already going to ground. So is this one. Me not thinking, I put the squash in the little bitty containers knowing that it's going to get ginormous and it's going to outgrow them pretty quick. So I had to switch them over. So don't put them in small containers. Our onions are starting to bolt. I need to pick them. I need to pull them up. So, they're just onions. Alright. My romaine lettuce is growing pretty good. They like the cold weather. Not too cold, but they like this weather here. I pulled up my spinach. There's no more dead spinach there. Yay! And my kale has exploded again. I mean, was it last week I showed you? And there was like no kale. And look at it. And then we have our Humphrey. I think, yep. It's either Humphrey or Comfrey. I can't remember if it's a H or a C. But that's here. They're starting to get really big. We're going to transplant them elsewhere. Look at these. These are my potatoes. Look at how amazing they are. put our chicken run right up next to the garden so that when it's gardening, you know, when we start picking season and there's something we don't want, we can just toss it over to the chickens. Because that's less feed costs, and they absolutely love it. They absolutely love it. So that is the garden. Now it's going to get bigger and bigger and bigger, and I'll have more and more and more to show you guys as time moves on. But for now, we've still got stuff that's not quite ready for the ground, so everything's kind of small in this little area. So let's go and look at the corn fields, corn square. So here's my little cornfield, and it looks like there's a lot of green in here. That's because the grass and stuff has grown. But there is corn. I'm trying to see. I can see it perfectly fine out here, but I don't know if you guys can see. There's like a line right here. It's got corn on it. And there's another one on the other side, and there's 7 rows. And so we've got lots of corn in here. We got corn planted elsewhere so that we can fill the holes in here of the corn that didn't grow. So that's the garden, and I showed you the chickens. They're doing great. So let's check out the rabbits, and then we'll do the quail and the trees, and that'll be the end. So let's check out these rabbits. And let me show you the mamas first, and then we'll go see the babies because they're the fun part. I mean, it's all fun, but the babies are really fun. So this is Jewel. See, she's not sitting there lethargic anymore. Hey girl. She is a beautiful rabbit. Hey, nope, they're not going to let me touch you today. She's pregnant again. She is due at the end of the month. So Coco, she's a sweet one too. She is also pregnant. Now these two just had babies about 3 weeks ago. Nope, I lied. They just had babies 6 weeks ago. And we rebreed every 3 weeks. So they have babies, 3 weeks later we rebreed, and then 3 weeks later they have, well, about 2 weeks later they have another litter, another Kendall. Excuse me, Kendall. Gotta look at the boys. This is Bowser. He looks like the girls over there. And he's gonna be their breeder. And then there's Rocket. Hey boy. Hey boy. He's a sweetheart. He's a sweetheart. So you can see him. This is Sugar. Now Sugar, we've had an issue with her eating her babies, but this litter she did fantastic. This Kendall, excuse me, I keep calling them a litter. This Kendall, she's done fantastic. She's been such a good mom, this Kendall. I'm very proud of her this time. So here we go. Here's all of this one here is called Chestnut. It's a broken chestnut because you see the reds, the browns. Also, she has black and white. So she's called a broken chestnut. This one's an albino. Let's check out Belle's babies. So Belle is here. Remove all your hay so I can scoot your babies over here. Here they are. Look at how cute. They're getting so big. Alright, these guys are so fun. Alright guys, you gotta move so I can open the door. Come on. You gotta move so I can open the door. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, get out the way, get out the way. Here we go. Ouch. Hi there. Hi there. These ones are just as friendly as can be. there. They're getting used to me, I think. Oh yeah, that one didn't run away. That's good. These little guys are 6 weeks old. Look at them. They're like, what you doing? What you doing over there? Let me come see. Look at how cute. Look at how cute they are. I love it. I love it. I could stand here and watch these guys all day long. Just with the door open, just watch them. What you trying to eat that for? That is not for you to eat. I just love them. I could so totally watch them all day. So let's go look at our trees. I know I haven't been showing you the trees lately, but we're going to go take a look at them. And yeah, we're going to go take a look at the trees. Alright, so I'm over here by all the fruit trees. Over here we have apples and pears. Oh, nope, apples and peaches. And then on the other side I have plums and blueberries. So let's start over here. Is a new apple tree. This one here we're getting rid of because it does not give fruit and we don't want that. My peach tree. Let's see if I can show you. Look at that. You see all them peaches in there? That's awesome. Love having that many peaches. Alright, this is another apple tree. This is our good apple tree. This one produces so many apples. It's crazy. I make applesauce and apple butter, apple pies. Alright, I am on the other side of my yard, and we're going to show you the blueberries and the plums. This blueberry is our first blueberry we've ever planted. And it is huge. It's getting to be so big. Tons of blueberries on it. It's fantastic. And then we've got some littler blueberry bushes here. And then there's another one. Oops. There's another one here. This one's getting pretty big pretty quick. That one's kind of little. But look at all them blueberries. Look at all that. Alright, that is it for the farm tour. Thanks for joining me. Hope you have a fantastic day. And God bless. Oh, don't forget to like and share. Sharing is the best thing you can do for my channel, so I can share my experiences and things that I know with everyone else. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll talk to you guys later. Ta-ta for now.